everybody. Hello, hello everybody. We're back. Should do you guys like it better up here or down here? Where do you want the Hello Mikey, welcome back to the live. Do you think it's better up here or yung always? Mas maganda ba sa taas? What do you think? Hello Rutherford. Do you want my face up here or the other layout? Absent ako ng 3 days. It's okay, ako din. I didn't go live since Friday. So, you should have caught up if you mean absent ko ng Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So, yes. Guys, do you want my face down here or face up here and this down here? Which do you think is better? Kasi may chat pala na nakaharang, no? Ngayon ko lang iniisip. So, let me know. Hello, it's me, Angelo. Welcome back to the live. Face up here. Wait, which one up there? So, face up here. Wait, whatever we... Which one? Face down. Okay, face down. I'll put the face down here. Face down here. Am I late? No, you're not late. Welcome to the live, everybody. We're back after 3 days. I just needed a break. I missed you. Welcome back, Fly. Did you guys study on the weekend? You should have. So, you should have studied no weekend. Today, we're doing analytic geom. Basically, the quadrant system, equation of the line, all of that. Topic today is analytic geom. This is the coordinates and slope, intercept, yung mga ganun. So, we're done with geom. Hala, natapos ba natin? Natapos ata natin, I think. Check ko lang if natapos natin. Natapos natin. So, we're done with all the geometry. We're doing analytic geom today. Hello to the 100. Hello, Saranor. Arithmetic means? Na-topic na po ba? Arithmetic means? Give me an example of that. Can you help me review for science? For science, guys, you should study like lessons yung inaaral dun. For science, it's not practicing questions. It's more of memorizing topics. Per topic mo memorize. So, ganun yung science for me. What I would do, I would get blank notebooks and then try to make reviewers by hand. Like, need mo siya isulat lahat. Oh, thank you, Uriel. Oh, I remember you, Uriel. Uriel, guys, is here. One of the alumni from last year. Okay. So, we're gonna teach analytic geom today. Hello, Cole. We're using PTS Mathematics. It's the same book I've been using for like since the start of this review. Do you guys like the camera down better? 5 arithmetic means. May nagawa na kaming ganun, I think. But is that the question you want to ask? Ano yan? Yung arithmetic means is same sa sequence and series. Like, dun siya related. Aw, you're gonna come back as an easy. Punnett square? Punnett square is easy. The cam is clear. Oh, I mean, do you like it better down? Hello, Luxie. Page. Okay, we're gonna start with the questions. But the questions are on page 86. We're back to page 86. We're gonna answer the parts we didn't answer. So, are we ready to start, everybody? Pengi papel. Guys, start na kayo with pen and paper. I went to my internship kanina, and then my new friend, the new intern, like, I know her from school, and then her brother daw solves with us on the live. So, shout out to my intern friend's brother if you're here. Meron po ba kayong link ng reviewer? Yes, the reviewer is free over here. Go check my Instagram. Thank you for the heart, me. Unsorted guy. And Waffle Fitzroy. So, yes, guys, this reviewer is free. It's on Instagram. Do not buy reviewers online. Even physical books, sometimes they just print free reviewers. So, yes, nagbago format. Luxy, do you think it's better down here or do I put my cam up? Hello, Chin. Welcome back to the live. Okay, guys, can we get it to 5K and then we're gonna start with this question. Okay, can we get it to 5K likes? And then we can start on this question. Thank you for following, guys. If you're new here, make sure to follow. Kamukha mo ate ko. That's why parang may nagbago. Guys, do you like it down? May poll po ba ulit? Yes, I'll open the poll. But do you think the camera is better down here or up there? Kasi may chat dito eh. So, matatakpan yung... What do you think? Okay. Okay, we're gonna start. Okay, starting. This one's very easy. Do we need a poll for this? Number 1. So, tuturuan ko kayo guys ng what we call we call it the Cartesian plane. Okay. The way in-explain sa amin to nung grade 8 kami. There was this guy, the Cartesian guy. What's his name? Do you guys know his name? C? What's the question? Axis. Okay. Hello, Alpha. Welcome back to the live. Do you want to review with us? Rene Descartes, yes. why was I think his name is Carts lang or something? Okay, Rene Descartes. He was looking up at his ceiling daw. And then when he was looking up at his ceiling, may hati kasi yung ceiling niya kasi nandito daw yung ilaw sa gitna. Tapos, there was a fly that was going from here to here to here to here. And then, dun niya daw naisip, I don't know if this was real, but just from memory, from stock knowledge, yun yung origin ng ano. I don't know if it's, basta yun yung naalala kong kwento ng teacher namin. So, yung fly daw, like, it flew around these 4 parts of his ceiling. Tapos, from there, dun na naisip ni Descartes, what if my point system something? So, kasalanan nung langaw kung ba't tayo may math ngayon. Char. So, what are we gonna do? This is called the Cartesian plane. Ba't pa siya nagkaroon ng ceiling? So, the way, Cartesian plane, diba? The way you remember this is letter C. Cartesian siya, which means, dito start yung quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. So, pa-C yung bilang niya. Okay? Pasi yung bilang niya. Kasi Cartesian plane. And then, what you need to know is this is the y-axis, tapos x-axis. So, what does this mean? So, later, mag-a-add tayo ng mga points, ng mga lines. Doon, makikita na natin kung saan ginagamit yung Cartesian plane. But for now, all you have to know is, okay, do you guys know the number line? Ang tagal. Grabe ka naman. We're teaching it from the start. There, I pin you because bashers deserve to be pinned. Ay! Sorry. O, diba ang galing nyo? Alam nyo na kasi yan. O nga, this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. Okay. And then, from there, guys, okay, so you know the number line, right? Yung number line starts with 0 in the middle. So, dalawang number line lang siya na pinagdikit. The number line na horizontal is the x-axis, and the number line na vertical is the y-axis. So, 0 yung start nito, and this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And yung kabilang side naman will be negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So, yun lang iisipin nyo. Sa x-axis, yung x value ng isang point ay depende kung saan siya nakatapat based on this number line. So, okay. For the y-axis, same lang. Y-axis naman, it will be 1, 2, 3, positive pataas, and then negative pababa. So, yun lang tatandaan nyo. Negative 1, negative 2. So, for example, guys, what will be this point over here? How will you name a point? So, kunyari, given yung isang point dito, need mo lang malaman, first, ano yung katapat niya na x? Yung katapat niya na x is 3. So, the way you write down the coordinates of a point, you put it in parenthesis, it will be x, y. Laging mauuna yung x, kasi in the alphabet, x goes first. So, alam natin yung katapat niya is 3 sa x-axis, And then, yung katapat niya sa y-axis ay 1. So, this will be 3, 1. Okay? And then, kapag kunyari, okay, balik na tayo dito. Which quadrant or axis contains the ordered pair 0, negative 4? Ilagay natin siya dito. 0, negative 4. So, okay, let's write that down. 0, negative 4. Ibig sabihin, 0 siya dito sa x-axis. Where would 0 be? It will be over here, diba? 0, tapos, negative 4 ba yun? Negative 4 will be down over here. Negative 4. So, the point will be over here. Okay? Do we get that? So, the point is on the y-axis. Minsan, wala siya sa mga quadrants. Pag wala siya sa quadrants, nasa axis siya. And then, how you know it agad? Okay, my tablet is Samsung, guys. Number 14 ka na. Wow, Kanye West lover. Good for you. Hello, Lily. Welcome back to the live. What's the answer, guys? Y-axis? The answer is letter C. Okay? Bakit letter C? Okay, the easy way to find out if a point is on a y-axis or x-axis is by looking at yung pair niya. When x is equal to 0, diba 0 si x dito? Y-axis agad siya. Okay? When y is equal to 0, x-axis agad siya. Okay? Yes, it's the same reviewer. It's the PTS Mathematics reviewer. What's KRM? Yes, I'm recording, guys. Thank you, Martin. The free mock exams, I have it on my Instagram, guys. Okay, so for example, I'll give you an example. Tell me if this is x-axis or y-axis. 0, 10. Is 0, 10 x-axis or y-axis? Y? Yes, it's y-axis. Bakit siya y-axis? Yung naka-0 ay yung x. Okay? And then, for example, negative 9, 0. What about negative 9, 0? Well, obviously, I already asked. Okay. So, because 0 ay y, yung magiging itsura niya, guys, kung 0 yung y, dito lang siya, diba? Dito yung 0 yung y. Tapos, negative 9 siya. So, over here siya. Somewhere here. Kaya, magiging x-axis siya. Okay? Yes. X-axis. So, the answer is y. Next question. Name the quadrant containing the point negative 1, 4. Okay, alam nyo na ba yung negative, positive? Yun yung ina-explain ko kanina, diba? So, what people do kasi, minamemorize nila yung, yung orientation nito. But, I suggest you don't memorize it. Ang gagawin nyo is, maging familiar lang kayo sa Cartesian plane. So, okay, susulat ko lang just in case people want to really know. I'll write it down over here. So, this has to be positive, positive in terms of x and y. This is negative, positive. Paano natin nalalaman na negative, positive? Diba, this is x and y. Dito sa area na to, lahat ng x ay negative kasi nasa negative tayo ng x-axis. Pero, lahat ng y ay positive kasi nasa taas tayo ng y-axis, number plane. Kaya siya, negative, positive. Tapos, dito naman, what do you think this one is, guys? Based on this, negative pa rin nasa negative pa rin tayo. So, here, nasa negative tayo ng number line. Tapos, dito, nasa negative din tayo. So, it will become negative, negative. I should make YouTube videos. Negative, negative, guys. Yes, negative, negative. Did you get it? Yes, negative, negative. Wow, it's like a face. Okay. And then, lastly, we look here. You look at the axis over here. This is positive x, right? So, sigma. Positive x. And then, this will be negative y. Gets nyo ba kung saan nanggagaling yung signs? So, iisipin nyo lang. Huwag nyo siya i-memorize. What you should do is think about, sa number line na to, nasa positive side siya. Kasi ito yung positive side ng x. Tapos, dito naman sa y, level niya, negative siya lagi. Where's the crown? I have it. Wait, it's right here on my table. So, this will be, what's the answer dito? Positive, negative. Okay? Ayan. So, positive, negative. So, given that, ang pwede nyong gawin dito sa question na to, you can ask sa point, pwede nyo i-draw yung point. Or, ayun nga, pwede nyo i-memorize. But what I can see right now is negative, positive siya. And what is negative, positive? Iisipin nyo lang. Ang gagawin nyo, draw this agad. Draw this in your brain. Negative means nandito siyang side. Negative yung x niya. Tapos, positive yung y. So, nandito siya. Ganun lang siya kabilis. Okay? So, the answer is quadrant 2. So, in your brain, you draw the quadrant like this. Draw the quadrant in your brain. The first thing you do is look at x. If x is negative, cover the negative part. And then, look at y. Is y positive? Then, cover the part na positive, yung y. So, or cover the part na positive yung y. And then, kung saan sila nag-i-intersect, dito na part sila nag-i-intersect, diba? So, yun yung quadrant. Okay? Okay. I'll give an example. Let's give an example. 4, negative 9. What quadrant is 4, negative 9? So, what you're gonna do, positive ang 4. Positive ang 4, let's color it over here. Color over here. Yes. What quadrant, guys? 4? Okay, sure, bye. And then, what's negative? Negative is over here. Yung part na nag-intersect sila is over here. So, this is 1, 2, 3, 4th quadrant. Need nyo lang isipin yung pag ganun. Okay? Medyo mabilis lang naman siya gawin. So, yes. The answer to number 30 is quadrant B. B ba yun? Quadrant B. Okay. Quadrant 2. Thank you for the gift. Oh, okay, okay. Pre-cal. This is analytic geom. We learned it in grade 10. Hi, Nico. You're back. Trust your guts na lang. Hindi, kaya natin to, guys. Kaya natin yung sagutan. Okay, hala, andito na tayo. Which of the following is the graph of the point negative 7, 3? So, may mga point. Kita nyo ba yung points? Meron siyang point dito. Point. Pero ang gagawin natin, wag mo na tignan yung choices. Actually, mas mabilis ba yun? Negative 7, 3. Anong quadrant yan, guys? Right away, what quadrant is this? Negative 7, 3. Negative has to be on the left side. Tapos, 3, it has to be on the upside. Okay? So, quadrant 2. Okay, quadrant 2 daw. Tama ba? Quadrant 2, guys. Hindi siya 4. Quadrant 2 siya, okay? Do you know why it's quadrant 2? Ay, quadrant, yeah. Tablet, Samsung tablet, guys. Yes, I post my live sessions. Welcome to the live, by the way. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. We'll be going live. I mean, we haven't been going live every day. But we try to go live every day until the UPCAT, which is, by the way, in less than 30 days. So, kabahan na kayo, guys. So, make sure to follow. Second quadrant, guys. So, now, tignan na natin. Is this second quadrant? Yes. Is letter B second quadrant? No. It's in the fourth. Letter C is in the first quadrant. No. And letter D is in the third quadrant. So, dun pa lang, kahit hindi mo na i-plot out exactly where, na-eliminate na natin yung iba. Kasi based on the quadrant alone, nakita na natin na A na lang ang sagot. Okay? So, my previous lives can be found here on my YouTube. Putol ba yung name ko, guys? YouTube is over here, guys. All the recordings are over there. There. Okay. Gets ba natin, guys? Letter A. That was very easy. Wow, everything's so easy so far. Number 29. Here's number 29. Do you want to screenshot it? I'm done hiding. Ang aming kasagutan ay hindi po. But anong part yung hindi niya gets, guys? Just make sure to ask questions and yes. Thank you for following. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. What grade are you on? This is around grade 10. Ay, grade 8 yung Cartesian plane. Pero grade 10 yung analytic geom. So, we're not yet in the grade 10 part. Ooh, this one, guys. I didn't reach how to identify where ang quadrant. Okay, so remember, pagdating sa quadrant, you have to know na pa-letter C siya kasi Cartesian plane. All you have to do is, this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pa-C yung bilang niya. And then, know lang na this is the positive side kasi in the x-axis, positive siya dito sa pa-right, and then negative siya dito sa pa-left, sa x-axis. And then sa taas naman, sa y-axis, positive pagtaas and negative pagbaba. And then that's all you need to know for that. And then from there, you can get what quadrant is needed for each point. Okay? What do I do for a living? Don't ask me about jobs, bruh. No, I just graduated, so I'm still doing an internship right now. In the triangle given, AD is an angle bisector. Angle bisector. DAC is 30 degrees and ABC is a right angle. Find the measure of angle X. Ooh. Bakit? Anong connect nun sa ano? Sa Cartesian plane. But okay, we're gonna answer it. AD is an angle bisector. Ang meaning ng angle bisector, guys, is it divides these into equal lines. Yes. Equal angles. It's a right angle. Find the measure of the angle X. The angle X. My formula to eh, but what we can do, we can get it from scratch, I think. Yes. Okay. Can you see the what? The question? Oh. SS the Cartesian plane. Okay. Here's the Cartesian plane, guys. You can screenshot. Let me know if you're done screenshotting. Thank you. Okay. 75 degrees. Let's see. What do you mean solve the tectonic plates? Differential equations, you don't need that in the UPCAT. Malapit ng UPCAT, guys. Nico, wala pa rin ba yung form, yung test permit? Kailan daw yung test permit? What are we gonna do here? So, alam lang natin na AD is an angle bisector. ABC is a right triangle. So, right triangle to, meaning this is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. And then, DAC is 30 degrees. 30 degrees daw si DAC. So, from there, if angle bisector etong dumaan dito, that means 30 degrees then etong number dito. This is also 30 degrees. So, what is the question? Find the measure of angle X. So, what would this angle be, guys? Oh, this one would be 30. Because 30, 60, 90. But we don't need to know this one. We need to know this X. Umalis na mi sa help desk. Why, Nico? Why did you leave the help desk? So, this would be 60, right? Kasi 30, 90, 60. We're just looking at this smaller triangle. So, that would be 30, 60, 90. Why did you say 65? Nico, why did you leave it? So, the answer is letter D. Did you say letter D, guys? We should put up a poll to test yours. Bakit naging 30 po yung angle sa taas? So, yung angle dito, given siya. Itong green, given siya. Dito siya given. DAC is 30 degrees. DAC, 30 degrees. Tapos, ang line na to, AD, is an angle bisector. Ang meaning ng angle bisector is hinahati niya para maging equal yung dalawang angle dito. So, if 30 ito, edi 30 din ito. Kaya alam natin na 30 yung kabilang side. So, ayun, ima-minus na lang natin. Ano yung kulang sa 30 and 90 para maging 180 siya. Kaya siya naging 60. Okay? What grade? Feel like this is grade 8. Is it grade 8, guys? Annotated file sa IG? Yes, it's been updated. Pero for this one, not yet. After the live is when I update the IG post. Oh, may ano yan, Nico. May parang you have to be active all the time, I guess. Ganun sa mga org eh. Org ba yan? Okay, next question. Hala. Determine the midpoint of a line segment whose endpoints are 9 and negative 2, and 3/4. Okay, so I'm gonna draw this, guys. The way, do you guys know what a midpoint is? Yes, 60 ang sagot kanina. Midpoint, midpoint. No, okay. So when you, for example, in a normal line, this is 1, and this is 11. The midpoint is yung point na yung pinakagitna niya, equal yung distance from here to here. So what's the midpoint from here to here? What's the middle number between 1 and 11? Basically, it's the average value, diba? The way you get it, it's not 10. Oh, what are you talking about? Is it 5? Is it 7? Ba't kayo nanghula, guys? I-drawin nyo. The middle point in between. Yes, I think it's 6. How do we know that it's 6, guys? It's not 5.5. So, you have to think about the distance, Distance yung hinahanap natin. So, the way this works, actually, the easy way to solve it is solve for the average. 11 plus 1 divided by 2 is 12 divided by 2 is 6. I-test natin yung 6, guys. Yes. Yes, cheese is pog. This is 6. Okay, bakit siya 6? Count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 yung pagitan nitong dalawa. Para siyang arithmetic sequence. Ganun. So, hinahanap yung gitna. So, ang gagawin lang dyan is getting for the average. So, this time, yung line natin, pa-diagonal yung line. Okay? I-drawing natin yung Cartesian plane again. We're first gonna draw these two lines. Okay, test right now, guys. Anong quadrant? Itong 9 and negative 2. 9, negative 2, what quadrant will that be? So, 9 will be around here. Hello, Basta, welcome. Yes, this is recorded, guys. If you want to watch this again or some other time, you can watch it on YouTube. I posted all there. 4? Okay. Quadrant 4. Bakit siya quadrant 4? Positive ang x niya. So, 9 would be over here. And negative ang y niya. So, it will be over here. Lagay na lang natin dyan. This is 9, negative 2. What about 3, 4, guys? YouTube name is over here, guys. It's right here. YT. What quadrant is 3, 4? Sasabog na ulo ko. Kaya natin yan, guys. Not quadrant 3. Yes, it's quadrant 1, guys. Remember? Positive, positive. How will we remember kung anong quadrant siya? Start with x. Positive ang x. Positive ang x kapag nasa right side siya. Positive ang x kapag nasa right side. Tapos, positive ang y kapag nasa taas. What part sila nag-i-intersect? Dito sila nag-i-intersect. So, positive ang y dito. Positive ang x dito. Kaya siya first quadrant. Okay? First quadrant. Wala akong naintindihan. Gray, you can ask questions if you don't understand. Nag-leave ng help desk para mag... What? Why would you say that? Jello? Like, Jello... Do I know you? Personally? Ulit. Okay. What part do we need to do it again? Paano na ko yung 6? Wala yan sa question. This is just an example of a midpoint. So, the midpoint is the point in between two points. Okay? So, i-drawing natin, guys. Asan yung 3, 4? 3, 4 would be 1, 2, 3. Let's say 3 is here. And then 4 would be up here. So, this will be 3, 4. Okay? It doesn't have to be perfect, guys. So, ang hinahanap natin, guys, i-drawing natin yung point na yan. Yan yung point na yan. Nasaan daw dito ang gitna niya? What point will be the middle point? Ano yung x, y niya? So, paano natin hanapin yan, guys? Does anybody know what to do? 9, Okay, so ang gagawin natin, guys, what we're gonna do, same lang ba eduk major in math? Eduk major in math and engineering. Engineering is not the same as being an eduk major. Eduk is not the same as engineering. Distance formula, hindi distance yung hinahanap, guys. Midpoint ang hinahanap. The difference of distance and midpoint is may hinahanap tayong specific point. Yung distance, measurement ang binibigay niya. So, what we're gonna do, okay, I'll teach you. What we're gonna do, same dito sa hinanap natin kanina. Diba example lang to? I-remove ko na to Example lang to, hinanap natin yung average. But, what we're gonna do is find the average na hiwalay for x and for y. So, okay, titignan muna natin ang x. Let's look at x. What is the average value between these two guys? Ang gagawin natin, get the average value of 9. Oopsies. 9. 9 plus 3, we're getting the average, divided by 2 will give you 12 over 2 is equal to 6. Okay, 6. 6. So, dun pa lang guys, x na is equal to 6. Pwede ka na mag-stop there kasi nagmamadali tayo, diba? And letter A na agad ang pwede nating isagot. But for the sake of answering, itry lang natin isolve kung 1 talaga ang lalabas. Okay? When it comes to line mo lang kung saan yung middle, mas mahirap yan. Kasi, I mean, pwede mo i-line, yes. You can draw this line, but then it will be harder, guys. Kasi, need mo siya i-drawing. You only have 1 minute per question when it comes to the UPCAT. So, it's better not to waste your time drawing the thing. I just drawn it for the purpose, okay? So, yung shortcut, yes. Okay, we'll do naman yung shortcut for y. Shortcut for y is just get the average. Basically, getting the average. Sipon, I don't think I have sipon. Okay, so the average of this, guys, hindi nyo gagawing positive. It will be 4 plus negative 2, okay? Hindi siya gagawing, I didn't go live yesterday. 4 plus negative 2 divided by 2. So, just getting the average ang gagawin dito, okay? We're just getting the average. Paano po nalaman na i-divide siya sa 2? Everything, dalawa lang sila. Do you guys know how to get an average? How do you get an average of 3 numbers? What you're gonna do is get 3 numbers, x plus y plus z, divided by 3. Okay, so yes, getting the average means, kaya siya divided by 2 kasi dalawang number yung hinahanap natin. Okay, so average of 2 numbers is equal to x plus y over 2. Or basically x sub 1 and x sub 2 divided by 2. So this is for x and this is for y. 4 plus negative 2 is equal to 2 over 2. 2 over 2 is equal to 1. So, we have 6, 1. And as you can see, guys, kahit isulat pa natin dito. This is 3, this is 9. So, this will be 6. Tapos, mukha namang 1 to, diba? So, that is 6, 1. So, medyo tama naman yung drawing natin. But all you have to do is get the average of x and average of y. Tapos, yun na yung lalabas. Paano what do you mean pag calculus? Shout out kay Hapa. Shout out Hapa. So, the answer is letter A. But pagdating sa UPCAT, guys, if kita nyo na x is 6, hindi nyo na kailangan kunin yung y. Kasi, hindi nyo na... But pi r squared sa comment ko kanina. Hello, Mew. I actually, kala ko circle. Like, sabog ako kanina. Tapos, kala ko circle. Tapos sabi ko, hala, ba't 1/2 base times height yung sagot nila? So, di ko alam. Mali talaga yung sagot ko dun. Okay, so letter A ang sagot. Hala, okay. Let's move on to the other basic questions. Tignan lang natin yung sa kabila, yung test B. Eto. So, sasagutin kasi natin at the same time ang anal jump part niya. Okay. So, we're going by the basics first. Thank you for following. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. Okay. So, let's answer number 29. Name the quadrant of the point. Very basic, guys. Very basic. Shout out Ryoto. Thank you, Insomnia, for the gifts. What quadrant is this, guys? A? Yes, it's letter A. We don't need to poll. It's very basic. Bakit siya easy? Kasi, remember, in this quadrant, negative siya. Saan negative ang x? Is it right or left? Ang negative ng x ay nasa left side. Okay, remember, sa number line, left side. Saan negative ang y? Sa baba. Y, baba, always negative. So, mapupunta siya dito sa third quadrant. Okay? Third quadrant. Very basic. Sabi na tama ako lagi. Sana all. First time ko makatama. Congrats, guys. Ang daming absent. Okay lang. Ganun talaga pag hindi nagla-live. Like, I haven't been live for 3 days. So, sometimes it doesn't pop up on the FYP. But yeah, make sure to share the live, guys, or just like the live, please, so that more people can come back. So, hindi pa ulit-ulit yung mga questions natin. Okay, so this one's letter A. What about this? What are the coordinates of the points shown in the figure? Okay, so what are the coordinates of this, guys? Kita nyo ba? Actually, hindi mo kailangan makita. This is just 2, 4, 6. Ay, kailangan mo pala makita. 2, 4, 6. By 2 yung number niya. So, obviously, nasa 2 siya dito. So, 2 agad yung x niya, diba? Yung tanong is okay, paano daw to? Paano daw to? Remember, okay guys, I'll teach you. How to read a point. How to read coordinates. So when you're reading coordinates, we're given a point over here. This is the point. And then, we need to know it's in the form x, y. So alam natin na x yung need mauna. So look at the point and isipin mo, saan siya katapat ng x? Ito yung x-axis, diba? Saan siya katapat ng x? So, sa x-axis na to, alin yung part na katapat niya dito? And yung part na katapat niya dito is 2, right? 2 yung katapat niya. So, let's write that down. Put the comma 2, put the parenthesis, and then 2. And then next, look at it in terms of y. So, ito si y, and we're looking here. Nandito siya sa baba, which means it's in the negative. Kasi this is 0, this is negative 2, negative 4, negative 6. And dahil nasa gitna siya, na negative 6 and negative 4, it will be negative 5. Okay? X-axis and y-axis, yes, this is the x and y-axis. So, negative 5 yung katapat niya. So, yung katapat niya dito ay 2, yung katapat niya sa y-axis ay negative 5. So, this will be 2, negative 5, which is letter D. Letter D. Oh, pre-cal, this is Jom. So, kind of pre-cal, I guess. D nga, amazing. You got D. Ganyan daw sa mga sniper. Although I have to forfeit my DOST slots. Why? Why do you have to kasi iba yung course. Thank you, Logan. Ako din, guys. I was supposed to be DOST in the sa UP, but I chose to go Ateneo, so hindi ko nakuha yung DOST scholarship ko. Do you want another one? I'll give you an example, guys. I'll give you a point, and then you tell me its coordinate. So, just know na by 2 yung lines na to. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay? By 2 yan. So, I'll give you a point over here. What is this point? This is negative 4, negative 6, negative 8, negative 10, negative 12. What point is this what point is this? Did anybody answer? Negative 8, 2. Yes, amazing. Guys, negative 8, 2. Remember, x, y. Mauuna yung x, guys, kasi x na siya. Tapos, iisipin mo na lang. Y, hindi niya na ako pinili. X and then Y, okay? Just based on the alphabet, X comes before Y. So, that's what you base on. Amazing. Why are you guys saying amazing? Is that because I always say that? Okay. Distance formula. Let's see if we'll get there later. I'll show you. Okay. Thank you, Jarek. Algebra. Okay, next question. Use the table to choose the correct linear. Hala, iba na to, guys. Okay, humihirap na yung questions. I have to teach you about linear equations. Dito na ba natin ituturo yun? Mamaya na yan. Balik ulit tayo dun. So, we're trying to get away first with the easy questions before we get to the linear equations. Let's see. So, I think yung next part is linear equation na talaga. So, okay, I have to teach you the equation of a line. Okay, we're gonna teach you equation of the line. Equation of the line na tayo, guys. So, I'm gonna go back to the lesson. Let's see it over here. This is the equation of the line. Madami kasing forms yan, so get ready, guys. There is this first. Okay, let's start here. So, there are 2 points, given 2 points. Mahirap to, guys. Kaya natin to. Kaya iniiwasan ko to kasi mahirap siya. Pero, Nico, would you know, if Nico's still there, or if anyone from the past UPCATs, do you know how much kung ilang questions yung may gantong topic. Kasi feel ko mahirap siya, like, sagutan. What are you aiming to get sa UP? Hello, Engineer Jello. If you're new here, I'm actually a graduate. I just graduated from Ateneo de Manila University. Diyan ako inaantok. I was a full scholar, guys. And yeah, so I passed UP, but I chose to go to Ateneo because I had a scholarship. What? They don't know. People don't know. So yes, I just graduated. You want to see my medal? Thank you. My program was Management Engineering. It's one of the honors programs sa Ateneo. So if gusto nyo mag-Ateneo and gusto nyo mahirapan, apply kayo ng Management Engineering. Tada! Amazing. Okay, thank you so much. Yes, I graduated. Guys! Wait, I'll show you. If you're from Mandaluyong, may tarpaulin na ako sa munisipyo. Go to the munisipyo, nandun yung tarpaulin. Alam niyo yung paikot? Yes. So, nasa City Hall na yung tarpaulin. Nagpapatarp kasi yung mga tao doon pag Latin honors sila. So, yes. Okay, we're gonna start with what we call the slope. So, given 2 points, merong tinatawag na slope, 'di ba? Kanina, may ginawa na tayo na, for example, in this equation, yung 9, 2 ba yan? 2, negative, 9, negative 2, and given yung isang 3, 4, it formed a line, diba? It was over here and over here. This thing forms a line, and that line has what we call a slope. So, what is a slope, guys? Thank you, Danielle, for the gift. The slope is kung gaano siya ka-bent. So, kunyari, yung slope nito ay mas mataas kesa sa slope ng isang line na ganito. Gets nyo ba? Yung slope is kung gaano ka-steep yung slope niya. Yung slope niya. Basta yun, guys. So, just remember this. Pag pataas siya, yung line na to, pataas, positive yung slope niya. Yung line na to, pababa, negative yung slope niya. Nakikita nyo ba yung difference? Hello, Navi. This is a positive slope. This is a negative slope. Okay? I'm not sure if you're gonna need that, but you will most likely need it. Mahirap to, guys, kaya need talaga mag-lock in. Okay? Make sure to lock in. How to determine if negative? If pababa siya. Negative this way, positive this way. Okay? From left to right, pataas ba siya or pababa? Pag pababa, negative. Pag pataas, positive. Okay? Also, quadratic equation, we're gonna get there, I think. Yes. Going up, left to right, going up, positive. Left to right, going down, negative. Okay. Reviewer na docs. Yes, nandito yung, it's free in my Instagram. Check over here. Free reviewers over here. Okay, so what we're gonna do, guys, using this 9 and negative 2 and 3/4, hahanapin natin yung number or yung slope niya. Yung slope niya is in this formula. This is the formula, or basically rise over run. Ano ibig sabihin ng rise over run? I'm gonna teach you, guys. So, okay, let's make a smaller quadrant. This is quadrant 1. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3. And this is 1, 2, 3. Quadrant 1, we draw a point 0, 0 over here. And then we draw a point here. What point is this, guys? Can somebody name this point that I just made? What point is this that I just made? Can we do multi-guess? 3, 1. Okay, amazing. I was gonna say 1, 3. Okay, 3, 1. And then what we do, people leave kasi, but let's see later. I'll let you do it later. What we do is rise over run. Ano ibig sabihin ng rise over run? This is what you have to remember if hindi nyo memorize yung formula. Pero rise over run means ilan yung tumataas. Rise is from here to here, ilan yung tumaas. Diba isa lang? Y over x siya, guys. 1 yung tumaas, so rise is 1. Tapos, run means kung gaano siya, ilang beses siya nag-left. 1, 2, 3. 3 times siya nag-left. So, that's 1 over 3. So, yung slope niya ay 1/3. Okay? Amazing. Yes, somebody. Run horizontal. Yes. Rise yung ilang beses siya tumaas. Run yung ilang beses siya kumanan. Okay? So, rise. Okay, yes. How do you get daw? Ito yung point, diba? Ito yung line niya. So, iisipin mo yung ginamit niya to get there. 1 going up, 1, 2, 3 to go here. So, 1 rise, 3 na left. Kaya 1/3 yung, yes, okay, 1/3. Okay, how do we solve this kung hindi natin i-graph? Given yung points, given the points 0, 0, and 3, 1, 0, 0, and 3, 1, need natin gamitin itong formula na to. Y sub 2 minus Y sub 1 over X sub 2 minus X sub 1. Ano meaning yan? Okay, so you don't have to memorize it. You don't have to memorize it. All you're gonna do is remember Y minus Y, X minus X. So, Y minus Y, this is Y sub 2. Okay? Y sub 2, bakit siya Y sub 2? Kasi siya yung pangalawa. Actually, it doesn't matter. Pwedeng mauna to, pwedeng mauna to. So, this will be 1 minus 0 over X minus X. 3 minus 0. So, 1/3 pa rin ang lalabas. Okay? Whew. So, basic lang yun kasi 0 lang yung kasama niya. Pero, try na natin for these questions. Okay? Let's start with number 1, guys. We're just gonna use the formula. Do you already know what number 1 is? Rise always on top? Yes. So, Y lagi nasa taas. Rise is Y. Run is X. Y minus Y over X minus X. If I study for UPCAT, will that be enough for ASET? Yes. If you're in ASHS, do you think ME will be hard? A lot of people from ABM, there's a lot of people who shifted out, but it's not impossible. You just have to learn calc while you're in summer. Yes. What is his name? Ra. Welcome, Ra, to the live. Also, yes, if you study for the UPCAT, guys, that's enough for me, I think, to study for... Hindi nyo na need mag-review, or like little review na lang. You just have to catch up. Okay, so what do we do here, guys? This will be Y minus Y. That will be negative 3 minus 0 over 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. Which will give us negative 3 over negative 1. Bakit positive yung 1 nyo, guys? Kung alin yung inuna nyo dito, diba, inuna natin si negative 3 dito. Negative 3 minus 0. Dapat, dito din tayo mauna. So, 2 minus 3. Okay? 2 minus 3 will give us the slope of, ano yung final answer nito? The answer is 3. Amazing, amazing. Na-prank ko kayo, guys. Hala, kinopya niyo daw siya. Wag kasi kayo mangopya, guys. Yan yung nangyayari. Yes, it's a real Rubik's Cube. Welcome to the live, Polly. If you're new here, make sure to follow. We teach math all the time. And sometimes I solve this Rubik's Cube. There. It's real. There. Okay. Binoto sa PBB. Guys, don't waste money on PBB. I do watch it every day. But why are you spending money to save somebody? Like, they're not gonna die if they get voted out. They're just taking your money. Propaganda I won't fall for. Voting for PBB. Like, these people are millionaires. They don't need your votes. Okay. Next question. Number 2. Number 2, guys. What are we gonna do here? Again, Y minus Y. Unahin natin yung nasa left. 6 minus 4 over negative 5 minus 1. Negative 5 minus 1. What's the answer? Need nyo siya i-simplify, guys. Simplify it if fraction siya. Need nyo siya i-simplify. Kasi the slope is just one number. The slope is just one number. What's your answer, guys? Is it... Okay. Let's just solve this first. This will become 2 over negative 5 minus 1 is negative 6. Okay? Negative 5 minus 1 is negative 6. So that gives you... The final answer is negative 1/3. Okay? Negative 1/3 ang final answer. Do we get what we're doing? Hindi siya 2, guys. Hindi siya 2. Bakit 2 yung ilalim nyo? Hala, guys. What's happening? 6 minus 4. Negative 5 minus 1. What part are we... Oh, we're looking at the second number. Whole number? What do you mean, whole number? Ang basic lang naman ng integer, sabi niya. 0 answer sa 3. Wait lang, hintayin natin. Gets ba, guys? If always ba nauna yung nasa kanan, if mag-minus, pwede mong unahin din yung kabila. Okay, try natin guys. Sabi niya kasi, ba't daw nauna yung kabila? Basta kung alin yung inuuna mo in the first place, yun dapat yung unahin. Try natin unahin dito. Negative 4 minus 6. Negative 4 minus, 4 siya. 4 minus 6 over 1 minus negative 5. 1 minus negative 5. Ang mangyayari dito, it will become negative 2 over 1 minus negative 5 will become positive. This will become 2 over 6, which will give us negative 1/3. So, it doesn't matter guys kung alin yung inuuna nyo. Basta, kung alin yung uunahin mo in the first place, yun yung mauna. Okay? Bakit hindi 4 1 minus 1 and 5 minus 6? We follow this formula guys. Y minus y, x minus x. Okay? Hindi nyo pwede i-minus. Okay, this is a... Wait, I was gonna say husband and wife, but that doesn't work. This is a... What's a pairing? Because I was gonna say husband has to be for wife, but that's literally not true. Okay, ito yung magjowa. Wait, what's another example? Okay, basta remember, yung x is to x and y is to y. Okay, that's all you need to remember. Not getting cancelled. Yung isa kabit, walang kabit dyan. Okay, kabit, ang magjowa sila, pero ito yung second lead na babae, ito yung second lead na lalaki. Tom and Jerry. Okay, almost time. Hanggang 9 lang ba tayo, guys? May reminder tayo na almost time na daw. Reminder, ma'am, almost time na. Twins daw sila. Hindi siya foil, guys. It's just finding the slope. Gets nyo ba yung ginawa natin? Kung gusto nyo unahin ito, pwedeng mauna to. Basta siya lagi mauna. Okay. May classes pa sila. May classes kayo tomorrow, guys. Overtime 1 minute. It's okay. Okay. Let's do number 3, guys. Number 3. Number 3. Okay, this is number 2. Let's do number 3. Negative 1 minus 4. Or gusto nyo 4 mauna? Unahin natin yung 4. 4 minus negative 1 over 0 minus 0. What will happen to this, guys? What will happen? It will become 5 over 0. And what is 5 over 0? That is non-existent. Doesn't happen. Diba? Bawal ang 5 over 0. Undefined. And bakit siya undefined? I-drawing natin siya. I-drawing natin siya dito sa Cartesian plane natin. 0, 4, and 0, negative 1. 0, 4 will be up here. 0 to. This will be 0, 4. 0, 4. 0, negative 1 will be down here. 0, negative 1. Yung magiging line niya, guys, ay ito. Ito yung line niya. And kapag vertical ang isang line, ang slope niya ay undefined. Okay? So, wala siyang slope. Pag tinanong kung anong slope ng isang vertical line, there is no slope. No slope. Okay? Gets ba natin? Wala siyang slope. Basta undefined. No answer. Like, wala silang, pag tinanong nung 0, 4, yung 0, negative 1, ano ba tayo? Sabi niya, happy friends tayo. Happy friends. Undefined sila. Basta masaya daw tayo. Yun yung sabi niya. Okay? So, pag vertical line, wala silang label. Okay. So, next, we have number 4. Ito naman. Happy friends. Yes. Next line. We have 5, 0, and negative 1, 0. Ba't ako nag-BSHM? Horizontal. Okay, try naman natin to. So, pag horizontal siya, we have 5 minus negative 1 over, hindi pala, 0 minus 0 over 5 minus negative 1. What will we get out of this, guys? It will be 0 over 6. Hindi yan 4, guys. 0 over 6 minus negative 1 is 0. So, that's equal to 0. And, ang itsura niyan, bakit siya 0? So, ito, undefined. Ito, 0 siya. Bakit magkaiba sila? Kasi kapag magkalayo sila this way, wait, what was the number? 5, 0, negative 1, 0. So, si 5, 0 ay nandito. 5, 0. Wait, let's make it pink. 5, 0 is over here. 5, 0. Negative 1, 0 is over here. And then it forms a horizontal line. So, kapag horizontal line, tinanong siya, what are we? What are we? Ang sagot niya ay, we are nothing. We are slope, our slope m is equal to 0. Eto, hindi pa siya sure, hindi siya makakommit. Pero ito, sabi niya, walang tayo. So, yes. Pag horizontal, meron siyang slope. Ang slope niya ay 0. So, sure si 5,0 na hindi sila. Pero, pag vertical, wala siyang slope. Okay. Okay. Do we end there? So, you can reflect on life. Joke lang. Okay. Okay, so remember, pag vertical, undefined slope. Magagamit nyo yun, guys, ha? So, you have to remember, horizontal, slope, equals 0. And paano nyo malalaman if, go extend 50? Paano nyo malalaman if horizontal siya or, horizontal or vertical? Based pa lang dito, guys, kita nyo na alin yung 0 dito. Is this x or y? Is this one x or y? If x so diba? This x. Yes, this is x. If x is equal to 0, so y yung may values niya. Alam mo na agad na vertical siya. Dito naman, y is equal to 0, so x-axis siya. Why do we know that? Kasi, when a number is on the x-axis, yung sinabi ko kanina, when a number is on an x-axis, 0 yung y niya. Okay? When a number is, pag tinanong kasi, diba, for example, 0, negative 10. What axis is this on? What axis is this on, guys? What axis is this number on? Actually, it doesn't matter yung 0 pala. What axis is this on? So, dito, x is equal to 0. So, this is on the y-axis. Y-axis siya, guys. Kung alin, diba, 0 ito. So, nasa y-axis siya. Yes. Gets. If you don't get it right away, you can draw it. So, it will be, let's draw a line. This will be 0, so ito si 0, negative 10. So, negative 10 is down here. So, nasa y-axis siya. Ito yung y-axis. Okay? Yan yung itsura niya. Y-axis. Y-axis. Okay. Paano malaman if horizontal? Actually, hindi pala malalaman din agad. Need nyo pa rin siya i-solve. Alam ko lang na, okay, the way I know it is if same pala si x, if x is same for both points, then vertical siya. Vertical. If y is same, horizontal if y is same. I'll give you an example, guys. I'll give you an example. 1, 3 and 1, 10. What is the slope of these two numbers? What is the slope of these two numbers? Ang gagawin mo, remember, y sub 2. Guys, memorize niyo yung formula nito, x sub 2 minus x sub 1 is the slope. So, we're gonna solve that. 10 minus 3 is 7. 1 minus 1 is 0. 7 over 0 is undefined. So, yes, kapag same kasi yung x niya, pag dinrawing mo yan, when you draw it over here, it will be 1, 3, dito si 3, and dito si 10. So, it will be vertical. Kasi same yung x niya. Same sila ng x, so, I was gonna think of a joke, I couldn't think of a joke. Same sila ng x, ano ibig sabihin nun? Anong pwedeng gawing joke dun? My friend ako dati, same kami ng x. Hindi na kami friends. Nag-standing ovation. May Tagalog. Walang girl code. Actually, I think it was cause it was kind of crazy. But yes. Pinagsabay, no, it's not like that. Not like that. Actually, yung pero hindi pa kami friends dati. Like, naging friends lang kami nung hindi kami basta. Next question. Line intercept. Ayan, humihirap na ang tanong, guys. Should we end on slope? I think we should end on slope. Mahirap. True story. Joke lang yun, guys. Allegedly not true. X-intercept is the x value when y is equal to 0. Humihirap na to, guys. Check muna natin kung masasagutan na natin yung tanong. Check na natin if masasagutan na natin siya. Kasi hindi natin siya masagutan kanina eh. What is the equation of the line in standard form? Oh, hindi pa pala natin masasagutan because we don't know what standard form is. Okay, so we're gonna keep doing the lesson for now. Are we gonna keep going? I'm gonna put up a poll, guys. My brain's kind of fried. Kaano niyo si Gail Menjola? That's my cousin. We are full cousins, like first-time cousins. I'm gonna put up a poll and let me know. Kasi wala ding tao, like they're gonna make us do it again tomorrow. So I think we should continue tomorrow. Yes, we should continue tomorrow. Break time na. Paul, kahit hindi ko susundin. Paul, happy face, continue. Sad face, stop. Okay. And then, guys, we're probably gonna stop now. So, you guys should practice slope. I-search nyo yung slope if gusto nyo. Look up slope and then quadrants. Kasi mahirap talaga to if hindi nyo siya alam. Okay? So, yes. Mahirap talaga siya if hindi nyo pa siya nare-review ever before. Kailangan talaga to sa UPCAT. And in anything I think kailangan siya in college, I think. Yes, might be time. Continue majority. Never mind, this is not a democracy actually. Wow, thank you, Kafkask. Guys, look, another alumni is back. Pin. How do I pin? I can't pin. Oh my god. Hello, I can't pin. What? I can't pin right now. Why can't I pin? Nico, are you there? I can't pin. Oh, because there's a poll. The poll, okay, nanalo ang 60-40. But yes, some alumni came back. Thank you for coming back. Ano formula if iba na yung X? Hala, hindi ko talaga mapin ngayon. Wait lang. Ayan, pin. Ano daw formula pag may iba na yung X? Okay, dito na papasok. Gusto nyo ba mag-line intercept? I can't anymore. Isa, hindi na daw kaya ni Isa Lenor. Okay, guys. We're gonna continue tomorrow. Wait, Alpha. Why are you laughing? What did you say? I didn't see. Okay, are we gonna continue tomorrow, guys? 8 p.m. tomorrow. 8 p.m. tomorrow. Arithmetic sequence na-discuss na namin yan. If you want, you can check out my other lives. I should ililabel ko na nga sa description, guys, yung mga topics natin para din madali mahanap. I'll try to label the topics. Okay. Yes, it's a real Rubik's Cube. Okay, so guys, we're gonna continue tomorrow. Make sure to follow right now. We're gonna continue tomorrow with lagay ko. Line intercept. Hindi pa natin siya naaral. Line intercept. Okay? Line intercept ang aaralin natin tomorrow. So maghanda na kayo. Kasi mahirap din yan intindihin. Okay? So what you're gonna do now, if you aren't done, if gusto nyo pa rin mag-aral, look up slope and other questions related to slope. So mag-focus na kayo sa slope right now. By period, how do you know the management engineering was the one for you? Guys, if you're asking me about courses, I actually didn't know what I wanted to be, and I still don't know what I want to be. I picked management engineering because they said it's a versatile course na pwedeng you can go into any field pagka-graduate mo. So, I didn't know, like, up to now, wala akong pangarap. I just wanna get rich, you know what I'm saying? And be a slave to my job. Alipin ng salapi. Gusto ni ate masagasa. Nico, not the lore. When I was in high school, I said, kala ko masasagasaan ako before I get to college. So, I just couldn't imagine myself good. Wow, thank you for the star goggles, Odin. I couldn't imagine myself going to college. So, I guess we're here now. Thank you for the hearts, Odin. I didn't see it. Yes. I wanna be a billionaire. Thank you, Odin. Welcome back to the live. Si Odin ang sponsor. Odin, half of that goes to TikTok. So, if you pay 200, 100 goes to TikTok. So sayang pera mo. Napupunta sa corporation. Char. W lore. Anyway, so yes, I didn't. Sana makapasa. I'll try to make more videos, guys. Like, TikTok videos. I'll try to clip the recordings. Kasi, yes. I feel like more people watch the actual TikToks. But yes, what year? I just graduated, Wedgie. I graduated magna cum laude in Ateneo. So yes, walang pogi sa Ateneo, guys. Scam. Pag may pogi, taken na sila. Okay, kaya wag na kayo umasa dun. Madami sabi ni somebody. Hala, somebody. Wala kaya. Okay. Okay, so yes, make sure to say goodbye if you're leaving. Thank you, Odin, for the gifts and Alpha. Ha- scholarship. My scholarship, it's the application will be out soon, guys. Yung avoided scholarship. Lapit na ng UPCAT. Yes. I stopped reviewing for 2 months. Get back into studying. So, if you're new here, make sure to follow. We'll be going live every day. I haven't been doing it every day, but we'll be trying to go live every day. Kasi malapit ng UPCAT. Bye, Em. Bye, Jove. Bye, Mitsuya. Bye, Mimi. Nico, when ba ang para sa akin? Nico, nasa sayo yan. I feel like ikaw dapat mag-first move. Char. Bye, Cole. 26 days na lang? Grabe, guys. Kabahan na kayo. Feel ko, ang onti na nun. For 2026, it's for this year, yes. Bye, somebody. Call ko na back. Sana all. Sana all somebody. Okay. How do we deal with we're gonna end at 9:08. Okay, so make sure to say goodbye. How do we deal with nervousness in college? So if you're incoming college right now, I think you shouldn't be scared because everybody is just new to college also. I feel like I never got used to college even until 4th year. It's always new. Everything is always new, and everybody's just trying to get through it, right, Nico? Bye, Mona, Ni. See you guys tomorrow. Come back tomorrow. Maybe 8 p.m. again. Okay? We'll try to go live tomorrow. Safe po ba sa December pang exam? You should study starting now. Kahit December pa yung exam mo. Bye, Isa Leonard. See you tomorrow again. Bye, Chin. Bye, guys. 1 more minute. Bow. Bye, Bow. Upload. Yes, I'll upload this. I'll upload it right now. So we don't forget. Share. Okay, wait. Let me just upload it. Share. Where will I share? PDF file. I'll upload it in the G Drive as always, and then check out nyo rin yung YouTube. So I'll upload the YouTube tonight. Okay. Bye, JC. Bye, Domi. Okay, just ask questions while we're uploading. The Rubik's Cube was from Toy Kingdom, pero super tagal na nun. I don't think they sell it anymore. Okay, I uploaded it na, guys. Check out the G Drive link na lang. G Drive link is the 5th story. 5th story dito sa Instagram highlight ko. 5th story doon. Okay? And then, check out YouTube for the recording. YouTube for the recording. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye, Sai. Bye, Nico. Thank you. What did Nico say? Okay, bye. Bye, Nico. See you tomorrow if you can. Dapat, Nico, nag-aaral ka lang habang nasa background lang. Para may accountability partner ka din. Bye. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Thank you for following. Make sure to come back tomorrow. Follow to come back. For every place with UPCAT. Was that same? Yes. Okay. Bye. Hello, 9:09. Okay, wait, give me. Bye. Until next year, yes, maybe. We'll see. Depends on my work, guys. Okay, bye, guys. Bye, Nico. See you tomorrow. 9:10 na. You're so right. Okay, I'll wait for 9:10. Alpha, why are you still here? Wait, guys. I'm pangit kasi ng 9:09. I don't like leaving on an ugly number. Dapat kasi 9:08. Maganda yung 9:08. Bye, Zane. Let's wait for 9:10. Bye. Thank you for following. Make sure to follow. Come back tomorrow, guys. Dapat mag-aral tayo together, like, for real, okay? I studied tonight. It's okay, Nico. You did well. 4, 3. Wow, my countdown, Joey. Start stream 8 p.m. usually. Okay, 8 p.m. Let's see if tama si Joey. Oh, amazing. Okay, amazing. Other subjects, I don't know. We're sticking to math for now. Because it's less pressuring. Thank you, Joey. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you, Nico. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.